Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and stretch out our calves. So what you're going to do is put your foam roller straight and you're going to go perpendicular to the foam roller. Put one leg on the foam roll and actually cross the other leg over. You may feel a stretch right here. If you do, just hold this stretch. The one thing I ask is that you remain with great posture while you're doing these exercises, and you're going to hold this static position for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay? If you want to take it a step up, you can push onto your hands and roll forward and back and really feel that self-massage. And once you feel a very tense point, hold that for about 30 seconds, okay? And then work your way up on the muscle and find another tense point. Make sure you're breathing, make sure your posture is straight, and then when you're done for about 1 minute to 2 minutes on this leg, just switch to the other side.